all the accessories. For the first video, we talk about this GoPro glove mount. Now we want to talk about, can we put our smartphone onto this GoPro glove mount? Okay, here all the accessories. Okay, which one we want to use? Okay, let's go. I'll show you. Okay, I will choose this one first because this one is universal smartphone holder. Okay, it comes with this GoPro star mount attachment. Okay, so it can fit exactly to this GoPro glove mount. Okay, and we still need the screw. This is a long screw. If I put on this 6.7-inch smartphone, is it can or not? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's okay. I can feel that it's still stable. Okay, if I shake this one, will it drop or not? Okay, in this case, I suggest that you can do is, okay, you put on these two rubber band on it. Okay, then okay, you put on your smartphone. Okay, in this way, okay, you will feel more safety, isn't it? Yeah, even drop. Okay, you still save your phone. If I hanging my smartphone like this and walk outside, is it weird? Should be okay. Perfection. If I play the screen out in this way, yeah, it look ugly. I think facing in this way should be better. Okay, this side.
Predator.